Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Drake Tax Software, one of the most well-known tax preparation platforms for professionals. Whether you're a solo tax preparer or running a full accounting firm, this software claims to provide all the tools you need to streamline tax preparation, improve accuracy, and make filing more efficient. But is it really the best option for 2025? Does it live up to the hype? And more importantly, is it the right software for you? Well, by the end of this video, you have a clear answer to that question. So let's get started by looking at what Drake Tax is and what it is designed to do. Drake Tax software has been around for quite a while, since 1977 to be exact. And over the years, it has built a solid reputation as one of the top choices for professional tax preparers. It's not a consumer-focused tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block. Instead, it's specifically designed for accountants, tax professionals, and firms that handle multiple clients' tax returns. Currently, Drake Tax serves over 77,000 tax professionals across the US, which is a huge number. And one of the reasons so many professionals choose it is because of its balance between efficiency and comprehensive features. In fact, in a survey conducted by the Journal of Accountancy, Drake Tax was ranked as one of the most recommended tax software platforms for new practices, particularly for small and mid-sized firms. That says a lot about its usability and value. So what makes it stand out? The biggest selling point of Drake Tax is its ability to handle tax preparation from start to finish with a seamless workflow. It includes federal and state tax return preparation, electronic filing, tax planning, document management, and even client communication tools, all in one package. This makes it a strong all-in-one solution for tax professionals who want to streamline their process and avoid juggling multiple software programs. Now let's go deeper and take a look at some of its core features. Now let us talk about the main features of the Drake Tax software. Drake Tax is packed with features designed to make tax preparation smoother and more accurate. Here are some of the key ones you should know about. Instant calculation and autofill. One of the standout features is that Drake Tax provides instant calculation results. This means that as you enter client's data, the system immediately updates and shows calculations in real time. This saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Additionally, it has an autofill feature that pulls business data from an extensive EIN database. So if you're entering information for a company, Drake Tax will automatically populate details on forms like W-2, W-2G, and 1099. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, which can be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. Robust accuracy and compliance tools. Accuracy is everything in tax preparation. A single mistake can lead to IRS penalties, rejected returns, or unhappy clients. Drake Tax comes with built-in validation tools, diagnostics, and error-checking systems to help identify issues before filing. This ensures that every return is as accurate as possible, which is a major plus for professionals handling a high volume of clients. Multi-state return support. If you handle clients in multiple states, this feature is a game changer. Unlike some tax software that requires separate purchases for each state's tax module, Drake Tax allows you to generate state tax returns for any state at no extra cost. This is especially useful for tax preparers who work with clients across different regions. Integration with Drake Tax Planner. Planning is just as important as filing, and this is where Drake Tax Planner comes in. This tool helps tax professionals analyze different tax scenarios and compare filing strategies to optimize their clients' returns. You can simulate different tax situations, see potential liabilities, and adjust accordingly. This is a great feature for firms that offer tax advisory services beyond just filing returns. Return viewing and document management. Drake Tax also makes it easy to manage and organize tax returns. Users can customize print sets, generate PDFs, add notes, and track previous returns efficiently. If you ever need to go back and look at a prior year return, You can use the look back and link back features to quickly find relevant data and trace calculations. This makes it much easier to review and verify information. Now let us talk about the pricing. Drake Tax offers different pricing options depending on your needs. There is the pay per return. All the great features and forms of their flagship software package with the flexibility to pay as you go is contained here. It is offered at $349.99. There's the Drake Tax 1040. It is the complete tax preparation software for the pro who prepares and files individual tax returns. It is offered at $1,995. There's the Drake Tax Pro. It is for the tax pro who needs a comprehensive solution to support their full service tax business, and it is offered at $2,495. Additionally, there's a free trial for you to try before you commit to making payments. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Drake Tax software. First, the pros. It is user-friendly, and that is a great option for tax professionals. Strong accuracy and error checking tools. It supports multi-state returns at no extra cost. There's excellent customer support, and it is cost-effective compared to some other competitors. How about the cons? The steeper learning curve for new users might be an issue. Some state forms could be more detailed, and in recent years the pricing has increased. So, is Drake Tax worth it in 2025? Well, I'd say yes if you are the right user. If you are a professional tax preparer looking for an all-in-one solution with strong compliance tools, multi-state return capabilities, and solid customer support, then Drake Tax is a great choice. However, if you're new to tax preparation or only handle a few returns per year, the pricing and learning curve may be drawbacks. Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore TurboTax Business, Lacerte Tax, and Pro Series Professional. That wraps up a detailed review of Drake Tax software. I hope this video provides you with everything you need to know about this platform. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.